Hi, welcome to Crazy Turtle's Kitchen, and today I'd like to show you a simple asparagus preparation on the stove. So if you've never used asparagus before or prepared them, they're super easy. You just need to kind of hold them together, feel where that give is, and then break it off naturally. I generally save these, put these in the freezer so that I can make stock out of them at a later date. But again, just kind of wiggle and that snap comes. If you are wanting to add more vegetables in your diet, asparagus seems to be kind of an easy and delicious vegetable to add. So depending on what you're making, there's a lot of ways to prepare asparagus. I'm going to show you on the stove top because maybe you're cooking something in your oven and you wanted to add a nice tasty vegetable. So this kind of gives you that option. So I just have my skillet here is on medium heat. And I have all these lovely pieces of asparagus broken up. And I'm just going to put in a little bit of olive oil. And as I'm kind of buzzing around the kitchen while I'm making my meal, I'm just going to kind of keep an eye on these. Kind of turn them a little bit. And just check on the sear that they get. And you will hear, I don't know if you can hear, the olive oil starting to sizzle. So I will come back, check back with you when we're ready to finish these off. But again, super simple, and I'll see you soon. So our asparagus has been sauteing for about 10 minutes, and we are done. You can see a little bit of that sear on the side. So I'm going to take this off some heat. Actually, before I do that, I am going to have half a lemon. And a little bit of lemon zest that I am going to put on these first. Because that lemon is a little acidic, it's bright. And place this on a plate. So again, this is a great recipe to use whenever you've got something going on in the oven and you need another vegetable. Asparagus is super fancy, but simple, and so delicious. This is one way of many ways to be able to do this. And I'm just going to finish this off with a little bit of shredded Parmesan cheese. So there we go. Something delicious, helps increase your veggie content in the day, and hopefully it'll please your family or whomever you're cooking for. Thanks so much for tuning into Crazy Turtle's Kitchen, and I hope to see you again soon. Take care.